Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's do the Lewis structure for XeO4 in this video. So XeO4 is chemical formula for xenon tetroxide, and to determine its Lewis structure, we will first find out the total number of valence electrons. Xenon here has 8 valence electrons. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons, and hence in total we have 32 valence electrons for this molecule. Now for arranging atoms, we will place xenon in the center and oxygen atoms will take positions like this. To show a bond between xenon and oxygen atom, I am going to place a pair of electrons, and doing that I will be using up 8 out of 32 valence electrons. We are now left with 24 valence electrons, and I am going to place 6 valence electrons around each oxygen atom so that all oxygen atoms can have complete octet. So this might seem like a relevant Lewis structure or accepted Lewis structure for XeO4, but let's not forget the fact that xenon can have expanded octets and it can accommodate more electrons. So it is kind of an exception to the octet rule. If you calculate the formal charges for this Lewis structure, you will find out that there are 8 valence electrons, out of which 0 are non-bonding and 8 are bonding. So the formal charge is of +4. And for oxygen atom, we have 6 valence electrons, out of which 6 are non-bonding and 2 are bonding, which leaves it with a charge of -1. So although it kind of balances the charges because +4 -4 is 0, xenon cannot have a +4 charge, because when we are coming up with Lewis structure, we try to achieve a structure in which the charges for atoms are as close to 0. So for balancing it off, I think that if we shift a pair of electron from each oxygen atom, we will be able to get rid of this +4 charge, so we can have a 0 over here. So I'm going to shift a pair of electrons from each oxygen atom in between xenon and oxygen. So this way xenon will have 16 valence electrons. Let's calculate the formal charges now. So xenon has 8 valence electrons, out of which 0 are non-bonding and 16 are bonding. So it has a formal charge of 0. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, out of which 4 are non-bonding and 4 are bonding. So it has a formal charge of 0. So now in this Lewis structure, where xenon is forming a double bond with all oxygen atoms, the formal charges for all atoms are 0. And hence this is the accepted and the relevant Lewis structure for XeO4, because in Lewis structure we normally try to achieve a structure in which we can have 0 formal charges. So this is the Lewis structure of XeO4, in which the central atom xenon forms double bonds with all 4 oxygen atoms. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.